Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can literally add a bank account on Coinbase. So for your security, the name on your payment method must match the name on your Coinbase account. So this is the rule number one, which is if you try to add, for example, your dad account and your dad bank account, and for example, you are using your account with your name, this will not go through. So this is something to know about. So to add your new payment method, you need to go and sign into Coinbase and select your profile icon, which is pretty basic. Then choose settings, then navigate to payment methods. So once you go to payment method, select and add the payment method that you'd like, and then choose your preferred payment method and complete the prompt to verify your payment method. So it's very simple and easy just to follow this. But in order for you to add your bank accounts, guys, you need to make sure that you are eligible for it. So here, as you can see, you can view what kind of payment methods are available per country. So here, as you can see, we are interested in bank account. So for the US customers, you can buy with bank account. You cannot sell, but you can add cash and cash out using your bank account. The speed is not very instant. It takes around 1 to 5 business days, but still it is something that is available and you can actually use it. You can actually do the instant cash out to bank account, but you cannot buy with it, sell, but you can add cash and cash out. Oh, you cannot add cash, you can simply just cash out. So this is for the US customers. Now for Canadian customers, well, you have bank accounts, there's a buy option, add cash and cash out, and basically the speed is instant. So this is a bonus for Canadian customers. And for Brazilian customers, as you can see, there's only of course bank transfer, so with it you can do literally everything. The speed is instant. Deposits clearing make up to 30 minutes due to bank security measures. The minimum deposit amount is $1. And yeah, that was completely it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a beautiful comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.